What's up guys, welcome to back new another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix GCash OTP not coming problem. Let's start. Follow my all step. First your phone settings. Now click your phone settings. Scroll down now click apps. Now search GCash app. Now search GCash. Now click your GCash. Scroll down now click storage. Now click clear cache. Now click clear data. Now click delete. Now click OK. Now click permission. Now your all permission. Now all permission. Now your all permission. Go back. Now you click Google Play Store. Now click your Google Play Store. Now search your GCash app. Now your update GCash app. Now search GCash. Now click GCash. Now upgrade your GCash. My GCash already updated. Now your phone restart. Now click your phone restart. I think your problem solved, and thanks for watching my video and subscribe now my channel and open your GCash app.